Hey everyone, it's Daniel Brother Barbaros. This next video is us installing MCM 2403, then updating to 2409, and then installing the Hotfix Rollup. Now, this video is going to have the most wait time of any video that we're posting. Okay, sometimes we're waiting a half an hour in between steps. So, I just want you to be patient. Once it's all up and running, you'll be happy that you waited. Okay? So, let's get started. We're going to double click on this PC, go to the H drive, share, Microsoft Configuration Manager. We're going to go to Config Manager, CD Retail LN, and splash.hta. Double click on that. And here we go. Click Install. Next. Install a Configuration Manager primary site. Next. Install the Evaluation Edition, or if you have a license, you can license that product there. I'm going to click on I accept on all three of these here. Next. Use previously downloaded files, which we downloaded in our prerequisites folder. We're going to highlight this folder here. Paste that. Next. It's verifying the downloaded components. There we are. Give that a moment. I'll come back when that's ready. Okay, and here we go. So we're going to make sure that only one language is selected. This will also be one of the things that in the best practices analyzer is going to say, hey, you should only select one language. And we did, but the best practices analyzer has a few problems, so don't worry about that. Next. We're going to type PS1 for our site code. It's going to be a CM Lab headquarters site. There we go. Our installation folder is going to be in our D drive. Okay. So click Next. We're going to say install the primary site as a standalone site. Next. It's going to say you have selected to install the site as a standalone primary. You can expand the site into a hierarchy at a later time by installing a CAS or central administration site. Do you want to continue? Yes. Okay. We can click Next here. We're going to verify our paths. We have our E database and G logs, which are good. Next. All site system roles accept only HTTPS communication from clients. We already set up our SSL, so we're good there. Next. Yes. Next. Yes. Get connected. Yes. Next. Okay. We're going to have one warning. And remember, when we set up SQL Server, it's going to warn us that we're not using Windows authentication mode, but we are, and we know we are. Okay, so it says here, it's recommended to configure the SQL Server to operate only in Windows authentication security. And if you want to verify that, you can open up SQL Management Studio like we did earlier, and it shows that we're just using that. So that is a false positive. So don't worry about that. It's just a warning anyway. You can click Begin Install. Now, what we're going to be waiting for is for this elapsed time. It's going to stop, and you're going to see some blue ones here, and the rest will be green. But eventually, all of them will turn green, and that's what we're waiting for. Okay? So, like I said, this is going to be a exercise in patience. So get yourself a coffee, a tea, whatever you're going to do, and maybe pull out a Game Boy and play some video games. And then we'll come back when they're all green. Okay? I'll see you in a little bit. As you can see, the elapsed time stopped at 1901 for me. You can still see a few of these are blue. And then once they're all green, we'll come back. Okay, and it looks like all of these are green. Let's look. There we go. Everything looks good. So close and exit, and we can close File Explorer. Now what we're going to do is we're going to exclude our MCM directories from Windows Defender scanning. So open up your terminal from the taskbar. We're going to copy from the end of 69 up to 64. Paste. There we go. Exit. And now this is another wait. So we're going to wait about a half an hour. So 1800 seconds. There we go. And we'll be back when that's ready. Okay, and we're back. So we're going to click on Start, type Configuration Manager Console, and we'll click Open. Give that a few moments. There we are. Click on Monitoring, System Status, Site Status. Make sure everything is green there, which it is. Component Status. We're going to verify all green and yellow. That's fine. As long as there's no red, we're good. I'm going to go to Administration, Updates and Servicing, and I'm going to look here. You can see 2409 is available to download. Click on that and click Download. Click OK, and we're going to do 1200 seconds there, and we'll come back when that's ready. And 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Okay, it's been about 20 minutes, so let's see if it's done downloading. Click refresh. Now it says ready to install, so we're good. So what we can do is click Install Update Pack. There we go. Click Ignore any prerequisite check warnings and install this update regardless of missing requirements. Next, we're going to select all the new updates or features in this update pack. Upgrade without validation. That's fine. I accept. Next, we're going to uncheck Enable Cloud Attach. Next. Next. Give that a few moments. And close. And now we got another half-hour wait on our hands. So I'll see you in a little bit. And 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Okay, and now we're here. We're going to close Configuration Manager. I'm going to click here, Start Configuration Manager Console. We'll click Open again. Okay, it's going to come up. It's going to say a new version of the console is available. Click OK. And we're going to wait for Configuration Manager to reopen. And I'll see you in a few moments. Okay, and Configuration Manager reopened. Let's go to Administration, Updates and Servicing. I'm going to click Refresh here. And our 2409 is installed. Okay, so there we are. Now we're going to click on the bell icon up here, notification bell, and we're going to clear any of the notifications we see there. Click Close. Okay, and now we're going to see is the Hotfix Rollup available. This one, of course, is the newest one. So we'll right click, or you can just click Download here. There we go. Checking. Click OK. And we're going to wait about 20 minutes. And I'll come back when that's ready. And 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Okay. Now we're going to click refresh. And now it says ready to install. Here we go. So we'll click here. Click Install Update Pack. Same thing, ignore any prerequisite checks. Upgrade without validating. I accept these license terms. Uncheck the cloud attach. Next, next, close, and now one more half an hour, okay? I promise you, this will be the last one, okay? So, as you can see, the rest of this afterwards, we're just gonna load it up. It'll install the new console version. We'll fix the services, and then we'll pin the configuration manager to both our start menu and our taskbar. Okay, so we'll come back as soon as that's done. See you then. And 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. There we go. Okay, So now we'll close Configuration Manager. We're going to click Start. Do the same thing, Configuration Manager Console. There it is. Click Open. It's going to ask you, it's going to say a new version is available, just like we see here. Click OK. And we'll wait for that one to reopen. Okay, and here we are. We're going to go to Administration, Updates and Servicing. And now we can see 2409 is installed and the Hotfix Rollup is installed. Okay, perfect. Now what we're going to do is we're going to go to close this, open up Terminal from the taskbar. We're going to fix our services. There we go. Copy and paste. Press Enter. Now we'll go to Start, All. Go to Microsoft Configuration Manager, right-click. We're going to say Pin to Start. And we're going to right-click it again, More, and Pin to Taskbar. And click the desktop. Okay, and that's it for video 17. Our MCM is now completely installed. So I'll see you in the next video.